Introducing Amazon Basics Smart Switches and Dimmers, two new smart home technology products bringing convenience and peace of mind through home control and automation. Smart switches are easy to set up and use. There's no separate app or smart home hub required. Simply swap out your existing switches, open the Alexa app, and get started in minutes. Control your lights remotely using your mobile device, whether you're at home or away. In the Alexa app, use the Routines tab to easily set up and manage schedules and routines for your lighting. Even schedule different light intensity levels when using a dimmer switch. While enjoying your home, use voice commands with Alexa to direct your lighting levels in each room, completely hands-free. Amazon Basics Smart Switches and Dimmers add a new level of ease and convenience to your home.